Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Samari, and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that I got, and it just arrived. So I've been thinking a lot, and I know one day I was like, we need to figure out what breed my dog is. We know one breed, which is a Jack Russell. Her mom was a purebred, but we don't know what her dad was. So here we are. This is my baby. Her name is Cindy. She was born in October. Cindy here is a year and a half old. I love her so much, and she's very cuddly and she loves car rides. She's always so eager to see us. She jumps up and down whenever we get here, and whenever we're about to leave, she's the first one at the door. So I just had to. I looked up online, are there DNA tests for dogs? And boom, I found this one kit that they sell online. So here it is. It is the Embark veterinarian developed dog DNA test. So it says here, better knowledge, best care. Screen for 170 plus genetic health conditions. Test for 250 plus breeds. Discover ancestry and family tree back to great grandparents. Find and connect with your pup's relative. So I decided, let's go with it. I received it, I think it was Saturday, and I already activated the package, so it would be much easier for us to just get into the video. So as you can see, it comes with this little sleeve. You take it off, and here it is. Let's just talk about how awesome this cute little packaging is. Like, come on, honestly, we gotta give credit where it's due. So then you open it up, and it comes with the instructions on how to use it. So here it says, unleash your dog's story. Welcome to the Embark pack. We're getting ready to analyze your dog's DNA using our research-grade genotyping platform built by our scientists in partnership with the Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine. The first step is activating the package, obviously. I went online, I activated it. You know, you have to make a whole account. And here we have the swab. The second step is the swab. Make sure it's been 30 minutes since your pup last ate. Swab the lower cheek pouches for 30 to 60 seconds to fully soak the sponge. Insert swab into tube with tip facing down. Close cap and shake 10 times. Reward your dog on a job well done. So here is the swab. This is what it looks like. And I am going to go do that, and I'll show you how it looks like once I get back. So now that I'm done getting the sample, we're gonna twist and insert it into this little container. Make sure it's completely locked, and then we're gonna close, tap, and shake for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how it's supposed to look after I shake it up. And now we're just gonna get it ready to send it back So here's the return thing. It says drop your sample into the clear bag, pull removable stick, and so now that I have this sample ready, all I have to do is stick it in this clear plastic thing, and it has, okay, and all I have to do now is take off this, seal it up, drop the bag in this return package, and then I'm gonna seal it as well. And there you go. So now we're gonna wait for the results, and I'll tell you guys once they come in. Also, before we end the video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment down below to see what you guys think my dog is. Is she just a Jack Russell, or is she mixed with some other things? We will find out. So don't forget to leave a comment saying which one you think it is. And go check out her Instagram, littlecindy_. I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching my video. Bye!